In today's video, I will be showing you how to find content preferences section on your account on Rednote easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application as you see, and then here you will find you are on the home page. So here you will find these three lines up here. Click on it and then go to the settings. Now here you will find content preferences. Just click on it. And now as you see here, you can manage this section as you like. So you can add some more preferences you might like. Just like here, you can choose your type. So that's it. That's how to find content preferences settings easy and quickly. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.